to game and won't have a good time.